So you want to dive into the flavorful world of cookbook writing? Well, buckle up because it's going to be one delicious ride. Before you embark on this culinary adventure, let's break down the basics of what it takes to write and publish your very own cookbook. Writing a cookbook is not just about jotting down recipes. It's a creative journey that involves passion, precision, and plenty of taste testing. The best part: the process typically starts with brainstorming recipe ideas, organizing them into cohesive chapters, developing each recipe with detailed instructions and ingredient lists, and finally bringing it all together in a beautifully designed book that will make readers' mouths water. Embarking on the journey of writing a cookbook, the first step is to let your creativity flow freely. Grab a notebook, sit in your favorite cozy corner, and start brainstorming recipe ideas. Think about your favorite dishes, regional cuisines you adore, or unique cooking techniques you excel at. Once you have a long list of potential recipes, it's time to organize them into chapters. Consider grouping recipes by meal type: breakfast, lunch, dinner, dietary preferences, vegetarian, gluten-free, or even flavor profiles: spicy, comforting. Creating a cohesive structure for your cookbook will not only help you stay organized, but also make it easier for readers to navigate through your culinary creations. Now that you have a roadmap of recipes laid out in front of you, it's crucial to establish a realistic timeline for recipe development and testing. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your cookbook be perfected overnight. Allocate specific blocks of time each week dedicated to developing new recipes and meticulously testing them. Keep detailed notes on ingredient measurements, cooking times, and any adjustments made along the way. Remember that recipe testing is not just about ensuring accuracy, but also about refining flavors to tantalize the taste buds of your future readers. By setting up a timeline early on in the process, you'll stay on track and inch closer to bringing your cookbook dream to life with each perfected recipe. Crafting clear recipe instructions and cooking tips. When it comes to writing your cookbook manuscript, clarity is key. Your recipes should read like a friendly guide, leading the reader through each step with ease. Break down complex instructions into simple, concise sentences. Use bullet points or numbered lists to organize the steps logically. Additionally, consider including cooking tips or tricks alongside the instructions to help readers navigate any potential challenges they might encounter during the cooking process. Remember, a well-written recipe not only provides guidance, but also inspires confidence in the home cook. Weaving personal anecdotes and stories. Cookbooks are more than just a collection of recipes. They are windows into the author's culinary journey and personal experiences. Adding personal anecdotes or stories throughout your cookbook can create a deeper connection with your readers. Share the inspiration behind each recipe, memories of family gatherings around certain dishes, or funny kitchen mishaps that turned into learning moments. These anecdotes not only engage readers on an emotional level, but also infuse your cookbook with personality and charm. Remember, storytelling adds flavor to your recipes just as much as seasonings do. Selecting a photography style that complements your recipes. When it comes to showcasing your culinary creations in your cookbook, the photography style plays a crucial role. Consider the theme of your recipes, whether they are rustic, modern, elegant, or vibrant, and choose a photography style that complements them. For example, if you have hearty comfort food recipes, you might opt for warm and cozy lighting to evoke that homey feeling. On the other hand, if your recipes are more contemporary and artistic, you may lean towards clean and minimalist photography with a focus on intricate details, designing layout, fonts, and colors for a visually appealing book. The layout, fonts, and colors of your cookbook are like the ingredients in a recipe. They all work together to create a harmonious final product. When designing the layout, consider how each page flows into the next and how images interact with text. Choose fonts that are easy to read but also reflect the overall tone of your cookbook, whether it's playful or sophisticated. Colors play a significant role in setting the mood of your cookbook. Think about using color schemes that complement the photography style and enhance the visual appeal of your recipes. Experiment with different combinations until you find one that truly brings out the essence of your culinary creations. Finding a publisher or self-publishing options. When it comes to finding a publisher for your cookbook, research is key. Look into reputable publishing houses that specialize in cookbooks and culinary works. Check out their submission guidelines and see if they have any specific requirements for cookbook proposals. You can also consider reaching out to literary agents who have experience in the cookbook genre. They can help you navigate the publishing industry, pitch your book to publishers, and negotiate contracts on your behalf. If you prefer more control over the publishing process or want to get your cookbook out quickly, self-publishing could be a great option. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, KDP, allow you to publish your book in digital and print formats easily. You retain creative control, set pricing, and receive royalties from sales. With self-publishing, you also have the flexibility to update content or make changes based on reader feedback. It's a popular choice for many authors looking to launch their books independently without going through traditional publishing channels. Editing, proofreading, and finalizing the cookbook. When it comes to editing your cookbook, hiring a professional editor is key. They will ensure that your content is error-free and flows smoothly. Additionally, don't forget to proofread every aspect of your book, from the text to the layout and even the images. A meticulous eye for detail at this stage will make your cookbook truly shine. Marketing your cookbook. To create buzz around your cookbook, utilize social media platforms to showcase tantalizing sneak peeks of recipes and behind-the-scenes insights into your creative process. Consider hosting cooking demonstrations or book signings to connect with your audience on a personal level and generate excitement for your culinary creations. Distribution and sales. Setting up distribution channels through online retailers like Amazon or Barnes & Noble allows you to reach a broader audience eager to explore your culinary offerings. Keep a close eye on sales data to gauge performance and adjust marketing strategies accordingly, ensuring that your cookbook reaches its full potential in the competitive market. Cultivating relationships beyond the book's pages. Engage with readers through social media platforms or newsletters by sharing additional tips, tricks, or exclusive recipes. Encouraging feedback provides valuable insights for future editions or new projects. Cultivating a community of loyal food enthusiasts who eagerly anticipate what you'll cook up next. In this exciting journey of writing and publishing a cookbook, remember that each step is an opportunity for growth and creativity. Embrace the challenges with enthusiasm, knowing that every edit made and every recipe shared brings you closer to sharing your passion with the world. Cheers to creating culinary magic that will inspire home cooks everywhere.